Alright, I'm here gonna wash it. Get the power washer out. It's just a 1400 psi. It's good for small things, you know, but if you're gonna use a power washer, don't put it close to the bearings, you know, wheel bearing, suspension, the motor. It can seep into the gaskets, totally draw out the bearings, you know, in worst case. But when you're washing it or on the vital parts, just hold it back a little bit, but you should be fine. Mine does have a soap brush, and the soap comes out, but I don't have detergent for it, so I'm gonna use the brush on the end, and then I just have, you know, car soap, whatever, in a bucket. I'll just use that, power wash it, then I will clean up the plastics with something. Alright, what I got here, Clean Plastics Magic Eraser. I saw someone use it on YouTube, and they came out spotless, so I'm gonna use it, see what happens. You can tell the back fender, that's after. And it used to be, you know, like that. I'll do one of these sides first. I'll do this right here. You know what it looks like now. Let's see what it looks like after. Alright, well here's the finished product. It's after pressure washing. I used the brush, I just dipped it in soap and everything. Cleaned it up again. It's still wet. I'm just gonna let it air dry. I'll start it up and let the motor run. But I'll just let it air dry. I'll probably take the compressor to it with the blower attachment on it and just get in all the bolts and all, you know, the brakes and carb, all that. But that Magic Eraser did amazing on it. I mean, besides deep scratches, well, not even deep, just, you know, little scratches like that. You know, see that? You know, it doesn't get in there. Basically just eats the eraser apart, but stupid Honda. I'll take this off. Yeah, otherwise it works really good. Really happy with it. It actually looks good the way it is, but graphics will do all the, you know, all the better. Can't wait. They'll probably be here tomorrow. Supposed to be here tomorrow, so I'll make a video of me putting them on. I've never put graphics on before, but you know, it's stickers. It's kind of self-explanatory. I just gotta line them up good, and that's it.